In terms of aircraft development, I believe that the future will be about integration. I think the times where one single company, no matter how big it was able to develop one airplane from start to end are over. Airplanes are becoming very complex machines, very sophisticated machines with a lot of dependencies, and I think the name of the game in the future is going to be about integration. So we're going to have to rely on partners who will be helping us develop the projects, and I think our role will become one of integrators. I think there's no way out of that. That will be the future, and that is why it is very important that our young people are trained and develop the skills about integration, because there's no way out, and that will be the way of the future.
There are a series of competencies that have become critical in aeronautics due to the new challenges we're facing. Two of the competencies that are critical are architecture and integration of all kinds of systems in the aircraft. We're also looking for experts in configuration management. And along with that, there are other competencies that become more and more critical, such as program management, such as, I would use the example as lean, as a new mindset in the engineering community to just concentrate on value-add activities.
I think that when we talk about those things, it's clear that it requires more and more integration from a system standpoint, to integrate both the propulsion systems and also the structure of the airplane. Today, as you know, there is different. It's a bit separate between the guys that are making the engines and the people that are making the structure. I think it will require even more integration in the future in order to optimize all this.
In the current aerospace industry, the projects are becoming so big that it's impossible to face them just in a single point of view. So now the big companies use the integration method to make an approach to the whole project by integrating small systems. Even today, the idea of systems is every time more known and more accepted.
Well, nowadays systems have increased dramatically its complexity. So it's not longer possible to have engineers dedicated inside big aerospace companies to each one of the systems. So you have to externalize the manufacturing, the design of these systems. And nowadays companies focus more on integration. They buy complete systems out of the company, and the job inside these companies is to design the interfaces between systems and to integrate them into the platform that they are manufacturing.
Now we have a lot of sensors and a lot of electronic equipment, such as, for example, complex communication systems, mission systems, or even just an evolution of the general systems of the aircraft, such as more electric aircraft, for example. So this complexity in the electronic of the aircraft implies different challenges. We have to manage a lot of interfaces between systems and a lot of physical and functional interfaces between systems. So we have to understand very well which is the process for developing the systems, and also how to integrate the system between them.